Bisi Brumni Haikhe Taklai Bisiwa 10-11 September Salmario Santibazar Manur Dokhol Reang Kamio Sirisiti ni Sangrangma Mwtai tei Banik Chengsajaknani Thangwi Tongo Phasalo Sangrangma Mwtai tei Banik kaisa Kokchap Khlaijakha.Pandao Manjakha Mantri Sukla Charan MDC Reang Tripura district ni Muhammad ZP SDM Charan Sarkarno khoboi tei Banadongrao Ashle Kokchap.Pandao Mantri Sukla Charan Karibo Manjakha Sangrangma Organization is General Secretary Reang MDC Reang Tripura district ni Muhammad ZP SDM Charan Sarkar South General Joint Chairman Reang DCM Saifuddin Ahmed District Police Officer Babita Burma Santitbazar Thanani Usi Raju Dotto Santirbazar ICA Department Officer Anubam Palno Khowai Mela Committee ni Adongrao Aslo Koksana Thagi Mantri Sukla Charan Shaka Fine 10 September Salmarini Simi Filmi Siba Sangrangma Mwtai tei Banik Chengsajaknani Thangwi Tongo Hanoi
SDM Sahib Khlaijakha tei Chini Jauto Line Department SDPU Sahib Tongo tei Chini Kabangma Department ni Chini Rajya Sarkar ni Kabangma Department Officer of Tongbayo Khlaijakha Taklai colorful kaisa history Chini Sangrangma ni organized by Sangrangma Mela abo jeng naithatok khlaioi Rajya Victic Mela abo jeng khlaimana hanai wan sogo on behalf of PTG Department ni ongoi jeng Taklai Sangrangma Mwtai Festival no colorful successful naithatok khlaini bagai on behalf of PTG Department ni ongoi 5 lakh taka Taklai Khlaijakha abo sanction letter already approved Khlaijakha
Taklai chung abo Khorang je Kokchap sanai Taklai Chini budget chung je budget kemo je proti para chung diro
Bureau Report Chini Khorang